$40. $40 US for a set of wireless mics. And I believe this is dual. So it's one receiver, two transmitters. $40 for your smartphone. If they're any good, it's kind of a no-brainer. So today we're looking at, and I'm going to pronounce this completely wrong, XIAOLO, the wireless lavalier microphone for iPhones. And they do make them, we're testing on an iPhone, but they do make the exact same thing for Androids, with a charging case, 10 hours, noise canceling, lapel mic. $40. Okay, so this is it right now. It's got 166 reviews on Amazon US, 4.5 stars. I say $38, but right now at time of filming, this may or may not be there. There's a 20% off coupon code, which literally takes this down like an additional $8. So like $30. 65 feet of wireless convenience. Now, for most of us, that's plenty. Plug and play simplicity, 60-hour long battery, 60 hours. 60 hours. Oh, it must be just when it's sitting. That must be with the case so that I can charge it multiple times. Yeah, so there you go. Keeps up to 6 hours on a single charge for 60 hours with charging case. There you go. High quality sound. There's an iOS version for all these phones. Again, there is an Android version. If you guys are interested, I will put links to both of them down below. Very, very cool. It's amazing. And I kind of wanted to see these because a friend of mine, I was talking to him the other day, and he said he bought, and it may very well be these because he showed it to me. He didn't know the name, but I think it might be this. And he was super pleased with the results. So this is the box right here. XIAOLO wireless mics. You guys can see that. Yes, I think you can see that. What does it say in the back? Plug and play. Yeah. Precision audio, etc., etc. You know all the stuff. They're making themselves sound awesome. They gotta make themselves sound awesome. I get it. Why would you not? Right? You kind of have to. And we have our iPhone sitting up here. I'm gonna open this. The case, $40. Come on, $30 with the discount, $30 with the discount. So you do get a little tiny manual, right? Little tiny manual, which is cool. It's got a little QR code on there. I'm guessing that's for service and all that kind of stuff. It is just kind of like a fold-out dealie, but seems legit. Seems legit, right? And we'll throw that over there. And there's the case. We're gonna come back to that. Nice box. You gotta be okay with that. I'm guessing this is that a case? That is a little tiny case. Look at that. You get a little tiny case for it. Sweet deal. Well. And of course a USB-C to USB-A. It's not a long cable, but long enough, right? And there it is. XIAOLO. And there's the charging cable or charging port, USB-C. Come on now. That's the sweetness right there. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Now, my concern is that I don't even know if they have a charge. I have no idea if these have a charge. Not at all, right? So let's grab my phone here because I'm super curious. And I guess what I need to do, as you can tell, yes, two. So these are transmitters. Sorry, these are transmitters, two transmitters. And this is the one receiver. So the receiver, yeah, there you go. So my guess would be the Android version of this, instead of it being Lightning, which this is, would be USB-C. So it says Android. Make sure you have a USB-C version, because if you have an older Android, of course, that's going to be an issue. So if you're running micro or mini USB, then that's not going to work. But that's it. That just goes right, and that doesn't need power, because it powers off the phone, and you can actually, hopefully you can see that, right? Once it connected, there's a little tiny red dot right there. Very good. It's all in rock out mode. Maybe there's just no lights on this. You know what it is? Like I said, it's $30. What can you expect for $30? Oh, that's why too. Look, see, where am I? These have little protectors so that they don't discharge when they're out and about. And it's stuck on my finger like they always are. So I'm going to take these out. We'll put them back in. Now my hope would be that these are fully charged, or at least charged enough that if I put these back in, yes, and yes, aha, see? They're little tiny charging lights. Now, oh, look at that. You guys see this? It has a percentage on the front right there. 66%. I think that's the charging of the case. Sweet deal. That's it. That's all right. 64. So I don't know how big the battery is in here, but it is. I'm guessing it's discharging pretty fast because it's or it's actually trying to figure out exactly where it is. So it's taking some time to figure out how much battery is in it. But because I started off at 66% and we're down to 61, 60, or maybe that's time. I don't know. Again, I could read the manual. I could read the manual. I'm not going to read the manual. 59. I kind of want to read the manual. I kind of do. Hold on a sec, because I want to figure out what that says. So the manual doesn't tell me, as far as I can tell, it doesn't tell me anything. It's in a bunch of languages, but not a lot of languages. Well, 6 languages. No to connect, yes. It just shows you how to really use it, but it doesn't show you what everything is. Because right now, it's down to 48. Now, there's no way that I've lost 20% of battery. So the real concern is, or question is, what is that? So maybe I'll do some research. If I can find the answer, then I'll show that to you on the screen below. If I can't find the answer, then I don't know what to tell you. But let's try it out, yes? Okay. We take it out, it flashes green, which means well, this one went solid because it was blinking red. This was blinking green. Now they're both solid, which is excellent. So I'm going to take this and put you right there. And I'm going to bring up my phone and my camera video. Yes. And I'm going to go into just the normal. So dirty. So dirty. So dirty. Okay. That's a little cleaner. I'm going to put it way over there. Yes. And we'll hit record, right? Okay, so I am recording now from my phone, which is cool beans. Cool beans. Ready? Oops. And which means, and you're seeing a bit of my tripod, whatever. Which means if I float all the way back here, the audio really shouldn't change at all. Now it does say like 65 feet, which is a decent amount. And as far as I can tell, I can see the red button or the red light on the receiver, which in my opinion would indicate that it is staying connected. Yes? Right? Staying connected? Me going right and left does nothing. No, not at all. Anyways, I think if you were doing little talkies, right? And you're like, hey, blah, 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 blah. This is pretty small. And, hold on. If you want it even more convenient, you just kind of put it backwards so it's even less. Now it's kind of protected by your shirt, and it also should take away maybe a little bit of wind noise as well, right? And also, like for me that has a beard, if I end up doing like this, I don't rustle my beard across the microphone like I just did with my finger. Okay, I think that's good. We're doing the end of this video with this mic, the whole from the moment I turned on my phone to now. So what's weird, and again I don't understand, is that this is locked at 48. It's locked at 48. It hasn't stopped, right? 48. You guys can see it. Yes, 48. I don't know. I don't know what it is. I apologize in advance. Anyways, charge it up. It says you should be able to get a grand total of about 6 to 10 hours per charge on the mics itself. And then I guess that means that you should be able to charge it like 6 to 10 times, somewhere in that ballpark. There is an iOS version, Android version, and you guys are hearing the sound quality from it. And really, that's all that's important, right?
sound quality, and did you get these at a good price? Because $30 US with a battery case, yeehaw, that's fantastic. Anyways, that's it. Now, it could, like I said, it could also be that it finally just leveled out at 48, right? And it finally just figured out where it was supposed to be based on its charging and things like that. But that would be my guess. My guess would be that is battery and it's just leveled out finally 48%. It's good because it had no idea. All right, guys, I'll put links down below to both the iOS version and the Android version. Again, just kind of be aware that if you are on an older Android version, I believe it's USB-C, so just make sure that your phone supports that. And that's it. Very cool, very cool, very cool indeed. All right, guys, this is the XIAOLO wireless mic dual pack 2. Oh yeah. All right, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Later.